Chlorine, a chemical element with the symbol Kl and atomic number 17, is an essential element in various aspects of our lives. Here, let's shine a spotlight on the 5 remarkable wonders of chlorine. Chlorine's first wonder lies in its unparalleled disinfection power, safeguarding public health by purifying water in swimming pools, drinking supplies, and wastewater treatment plants, effectively combating harmful microorganisms. Its second wonder emerges from its pivotal role in chemical production, serving as a cornerstone in the synthesis of PVC, solvents, pesticides, and pharmaceuticals, thus fueling various industries and innovations. As a potent bleaching agent, chlorine unveils its third wonder, transforming stained textiles and paper into pristine white materials, enhancing cleanliness and aesthetics in everyday products. In the polymer industry, chlorine works wonders as a stabilizer, fortifying polymers like PVC against degradation, ensuring their durability and reliability in construction, healthcare, and beyond. Lastly, chlorine's medical applications unveil its fifth wonder, as it sterilizes medical equipment, surfaces, and pharmaceuticals, playing a critical role in maintaining sterile environments in hospitals and advancing healthcare practices. These 5 wonders encapsulate chlorine's versatility and indispensability across diverse sectors, from public health and industry to textiles, construction, and medicine, underlining its profound impact on modern life and human well-being. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more video.